Hi all, this is just a brief video to show you how to create the QR code listening center icons on your own if there's something you find on YouTube that you'd like to use. Now mind you, the QR codes are simply a link that is generated, so you can use any link that you find to create a QR code, but we're going to go through the YouTube way for purposes of this. And I'll briefly show you the other way at the end. Okay, so say you found this story on YouTube, you previewed it, you liked it, and you wanted to use it as a QR code. First thing you do is you want to take the URL at the top of your page. You want to go to SafeYouTube.net and paste that link into there and generate a link. Now the nice thing about SafeYouTube.net is it's free, it's relatively new, and once it generates a link, it gives you the option to share as the QR code, so you don't have to go into a separate QR code generator. So here it is right here. There's the book, there's the safe URL, and if I click on the QR code, that's the QR code that's going to lead me to the book on SafeYouTube.net. I want to preface this by saying, just like with the Listening Center packets, all the stuff on the internet changes all the time, whether it appears and disappears, whether it turns into a cost or a paying site. So always preview it before you use it, like the morning of or the day of, to make sure it's still there and the workflow is the same. If it's not, we can find a different way to do it. But things change. It's just the nature of the internet. So once you have your QR code, if you do Command-Shift-4, you can take a screenshot of the QR code and dump it into Pages or wherever you're going to create your printable piece of paper or whatever the students are going to use. You can then simply, just like you did, print it or post it somewhere. Students would scan it with their iOS device in the camera app natively, and then that would play to the link that it was assigned to. There are several QR code apps you can put on your device as well if you choose to do that. If this was not a YouTube clip, or even if it is, and you wanted to create a QR code without going to SafeYouTube, you can search any QR code generator. Dump in the link, and you're given the QR code to then do the same thing we just did. So find the video for YouTube, dump it into SafeYouTube.net. That will generate a safe link and also give you a QR code to use where you can screenshot it and put it anywhere you want for the students to use. If it's not a YouTube video or you just don't want to use SafeYouTube, you can go to any QR code generator and do it that way by pasting the link in there. Now if you have an older iPad that doesn't have the camera ability to QR code read, we can also get you a QR code reader app on the iPad as well. So this is just a way where you can make your own. If you find videos you want the students to access through a listening center and you can't find it on a different site, this is just a quick tutorial on how to make your own. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.